OntarioLoval.com here at the Barrie Speedway getting ready for tonight's Gary Reynolds Memorial here up in Barrie, Ontario. I'm Greg Kellman with OntarioLoval.com, standing here with Ryan Toon, who's going to have his mini stock out on the track here tonight. And Ryan, so far, how's your season gone here in 2011?
It's been pretty good. It's my rookie year this year, and just been working with the car, and it's been handling great. It's been okay, but I got in it, and I love doing it.
Rookie campaign, it always has to be nerve-wracking to get into racing, but you get out there and get racing. How have the other competitors treated you, and what have they taught you?
They're pretty good. If you get bumped around, you know what it's like. It's all part of racing, and it's great. You just learn. You teach yourself, really. Yeah, it's pretty good there. They're always handing out advice and stuff on what to do. It's really good.
Tight confines here at Barrie Speedway, so it must make it a little trickier getting around such a tight track, but it looks like a track that's a lot of fun to race on.
Oh yes, it's great. It's a bit tricky. All four corners are different, so you always have to do a little something else every corner, but you get too wide and stuff. You don't know, right? When you go in the corner, it's how you're going to come out. You really don't know.
Big night tonight, maybe a few extra fans in the stands. Does that put a little more pressure on you as a driver, or is this just like a regular Saturday night for you?
Yes, it puts a lot of pressure. All the fans, and it's all nervous.
Now, starting out at this division, what are your future goals in racing? What do you see yourself in down the road if you get a little bit more experience going?
Well, I'm probably going to race a couple more years than this. It's just money, and I really enjoy it. Next couple years, I might go up in the Thundercar if everything works out well, and maybe continue on from there.
Takes a lot of good people to get you to the track. Who would you like to thank?
Oh, I'd like to thank my sponsors: CarQuest Auto Parts, Showcraft Auto Body, Apple Auto Glass, Mako Tools, all the officials. Track, they do a really good job. My dad, and just everybody really just coming out and getting a hand, and it's good.
All right, there you go. That's Ryan Toon getting ready for tonight's big race here at the Barrie Speedway. I'm Greg Kellman for OntarioLoval.com.